Aprang si media bitung numhana kero pilo pini piposi lebang so perang ke amai ke phanang kok alam the bang ke lahan lo nilitum mithang sai hem long si Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum sai hem long nilitum perang ke amai ke pha bang ke lahan lo ke dam tang ni aprang Dr. Momin alang li statement kachipi ke chok che aphuthak nilitum ning duk pik ning oi pik alang li lapuson statement ki pia bang nilitum condemn lo athe pipot ma le pudang te karbia khai lapu anarni ajak ding pi penakar I ka che song ko piposi men ni tum han pawe der lo nang pawir pi der lo labang ni tum ning duk ning oi pik la si pini labang so channel pen setame Dr. Momin phan ni tum pachini lo la pen prabjin pen alang ni karbia khai so phan alang ni tribal puyong si chipu ke claim thek jia bang ni pudang te alang ni dia cho hang nai la so putha dia chohang non Karbi khai phan rat tuman dia chohang oi piposi Karbi Anglong article 244 a ke do anta soselo kulo nilitum kulo ko anang thek lo ke lo ko an lo ke me lasila so phutha ka bangke alang li prabjin pen dia chohang vek nahi tribal la so phan alang jong si hempre ka baha phan kam claim je phan aning hang he bang ke support ka ve bang pote ke claim thek bang pang ni na ke claim thek bang pa claim nang la da alang dak do de noi claim pi de noi alang li la so phuthak long claim mun de noi ke claim thek tum pa claim nang ke people lo pini Dr. Momin men nang karbo phak ke karbia khai ke vi ke joy mandet lo ma aprang sor Anglong so tum jail ke jang phong kache boycott pendang lo people lang hempre ka pharman ko an lo ne songja potum se tame aprandam tang lo ingnam nampi namdur setame hempre ka baha phansi claim tanglo setame pipo si pini non second nang bong nilitum phanang pache dong phun lo ning nang poi det lo tribal la subhan pipo lo chong thui det nang claim thek the ya bang pote ke claim thek bang pa claim na la sin next MLA bang ke nang li do thek the poli putang te kiduji tumpa do na hemprek article 244 a fan ka che don thek the bang pote nang li MLA pen next bangke do de no da thodun de no nang li ninge hang he ka chedon de bang lo lake pini la so phuthak bang ni litum condemn lo Dr. Momin la bang so statement ka chipia phuthak ni litum condemn lo kasi Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum pen bangke la bang so pherang ke mai ke phadun ke lahan
I would like to say about Karbi Anglong Bokajan district Numal MLA Numal Momin, what he have stated in the media that he said that 244A, he said that he has everything we have got a successful about the Karbi Anglong about the 244A. So what he said, we are not satisfied with what he said because Karbi Anglong, he said that he has enough everything we have got the implement for the Karbi Anglong. It is not enough for the Karbi Anglong because the ancient earlier days, because the people of Karbi Anglong, we have struggled so much that we have fought for the freedom of Karbi Anglong. They have died, they have killed, and they have means they have got the blood, everything they have struggled for the Karbi Anglong. And now at last he's saying that the Numal moment he said that it is enough for the Karbi Anglong because everything we got the successful. It is not enough. We condemn women justice of Karbi Anglong, the Bokajan district. We could condemn Numal Momin because we are not satisfied with what he said. So we would like to say that if Numal Momin, if he doesn't want to stay here in Karbi Anglong, better to go out in anywhere, any place, wherever he likes to go. We don't want Numal Momin to stay here because he said that it is not satisfied with Karbi Anglong people, and we are we Karbi Anglong Bokajan district women justice, we condemn him that it's better to stay away from the Karbi Anglong, or we need to say that he should beg pardon for the Karbi Anglong people if he would like to stay here in Karbi Anglong. Otherwise, we are not satisfied with what he said.